Hey everyone, welcome to my shop where I'm always fixing something. Tonight I am going to try to replace the starter. This is the old starter that came out of my John Deere tractor, and it's bad. The motor's shot, the field coils are shot. The solenoid works, but the field coils inside here are bad. So I have a new one sitting over here, and I just wanted to show the difference between a good starter and a bad starter. So first we're going to start with the bad one. So if you hook a set of jumper cables up to a battery, I've got a battery here out of view, and you hook it up to the power. This is where the power would connect from the battery. And then if you jump it to the terminal where your ignition, when you turn the key, the power would go here, and that throws this mechanism, this shaft and gear. It throws it out and it spins it, and that's what ties into your ring gear on your flywheel to start your engine. So we'll see if we can get the bad one to even work at all, to show you what it looks like, and then I'll show you what the good one looks like. So let me hook up the battery here real quick. If I ground it to there, I should be able to, I don't know if you can see this. If I jump this between these 2 points at the same time, it should make this pop out. We'll see if I can even get it. Like I said, this is the bad one. I was able to get it last night. Yeah, I can't even get it. Well, almost got it. Did you see it move? So that's what it's supposed to do, kind of. I can't really even get it. So I'm gonna see if I can even get it on the new starter. Then you'll see what it's supposed to do, maybe. I have a replacement starter. Looks a lot nicer, but we'll see if I can even get it on here. If I can't get it on here, I'm not even gonna show you the video. I don't know if this is gonna be a great ground or not. Well, we know the solenoid's good. Can't really get the connection good enough to spin it, but there we go. That's what it's supposed to do. I hope you saw that. So that's supposed to come out, and it starts spinning, and that engages the ring gear and starts your engine to turn, and then you got your spark and your engine fires. But the old one didn't work at all. So there you have it. Now you know a little bit more about a starter.